There are some strategies that can help you attract and retain more subscribers over time. Here are some tips. Create high-quality content. The most important factor for gaining subscribers is to produce high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem tends to perform well. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a regular upload schedule so that your audience knows when to expect new content. Consistency helps build anticipation and keeps viewers coming back for more. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and interact with your viewers. Building a community around your channel can encourage more people to subscribe. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and relevant online communities. If your content provides value, people are more likely to subscribe after discovering your channel through promotions. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility in search results. This can help attract more viewers and potential subscribers. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Thumbnails are often the first thing people see, and a compelling thumbnail can entice viewers to click and subscribe. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can introduce your channel to a new audience and potentially increase subscribers. Use YouTube Analytics. Monitor your YouTube Analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior. Understand which videos perform best and what type of content resonates with your viewers to refine your strategy. End screens and cards. Use YouTube's end screens and cards to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel or watch more of your content. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on specific topics or themes. Playlists can keep viewers engaged on your channel for a longer time and increase the likelihood of them subscribing. Ask for subscriptions. Don't be afraid to ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel at the end of your videos. A simple call to action can sometimes make a difference. Be patient and persistent. Building a subscriber base takes time and effort. Stay committed to creating content and implementing effective strategies to grow your channel gradually.
Remember that authenticity, passion of your content, and genuine connections with your audience are key elements in growing your subscriber base. Over time, avoid shortcuts or gimmicks, as they may provide temporary gains but won't lead to long-term success on YouTube.